Okay, we are at our first estate sale of the weekend. This is going to be Brandy's estate sale, the Great Estate. Cute little house coming in. We're over in Julington Creek in Jacksonville. Today is day 2, so I imagine things are probably 25% off.
How do you do? Have you missed us?
Hey guys,
How are you?
You by yourself?
No, she's back
Oh,
there.
there she is.
She's following. She's following.
No vintage without the D.
yeah, there's
I know.
yeah.
I know. Ooh,
There's the two.
look at
We're
that.
always together. That's what we do.
How cool that is. That is so cool.
Well, she's live
Oh,
already?
no vintage.
I'm not even live. I'm not even live.
I didn't. I guess I heard it, but I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
My brain didn't comprehend it yet.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Not for
Good, how are
sale.
you?
Good.
As I blow
Well, that's
my
pretty
nose.
in there.
It's been good. Everything's pretty good.
Shiny.
You know, the typical January, you know, spring.
Come on in. Welcome home.
I do like this though. This is so cool.
Tommy, Minnie, Tommy.
Well, look who's here. Hello. Are you safe to hug? Is it okay to get a hug? I know so many people had the crud. Happy New Year to you.
Some nice
Doing okay?
cast irons. I never did look this stuff up online. I don't believe.
Yeah, me every week. But you're right. I think that's it too. Same thing.
The silver in this house is really beautiful. I noticed that from the pictures. It's all super, super shiny. Gorgeous collection of blue and white. You can hear it's bustling around here.
Yeah, she got a few pieces. I think she's gonna probably turn into her little artwork. Yeah.
Lots of really pretty pieces. Some carnival glass, hand painted. I spy Sue outside. Oh, look how pretty and delicate this is. That's really lovely. $28 for the set, which includes these very dainty aperitif glasses. After this sale was over, Sue and I decided to buy up the rest of the estate. So watch for some of these pieces to appear on Wednesday nights. Whatnot. We do Whatnot at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesdays.
Check out the yard. Gardening. That's cool.
Looks like this brass bed has been, or headboard has been painted. Really cool though. I like what they did with it. I really like this little basket of flowers. I think it's really nice. The florals are really great. They look pretty much real. Let's see, $5 and 25% off. That might go into our little basket, our little pile. Love these little figurines, vintage, obviously. And these little guys are very cute as well. This little set. Antique pair of porcelain knotters, $28. And everything is 25% off today.
Spoon. That's pretty cool.
So this is the Longaberger tulip basket. I have it listed at 18. And this gathering basket, I think, is 18 also. I'm gonna think about those. I have a tulip basket already, but I do not have one of the other baskets. I feel like I'm always a sucker for these cookie cutters. So $7 for the bag, and everything is 25% off. I always love these. What is that? Is that a dolphin or a whale? I guess a whale, maybe? There. And the rest mostly are biscuit cutters, I think. And then the scalloped hearts. I do have a set of scalloped hearts, but and then what is that? Like a half moon? I'm not gonna lie, I'm eyeballing this KitchenAid for myself. $175. I may come back tomorrow just to see if it is down at 50%. Got some nice pottery here. Not pottery, but cooking pans. I know that John has actually been telling me to look for some new ones when we're at estate sales.
Good. Silly bits in here. Need to get my lab up and running again. Nice machine. Nah, I'm not live. I'm just recording. Yes. Find the Elway, dig it out.
Old school tape roller. Can you imagine having such a fancy tape roller? All of these beautiful hand-painted pieces. Lately, I have been fascinated with the chocolate pots. I buy them to sell them, but then I never seem to get them listed. Instead, I seem to like them in my china cabinet. Huh, wonder what's with that. Such beautiful little pieces. Very pretty vintage sewing machine. all the little sewing parts. Pretty brass lamp. Brass lamp is $85. It's a little hard to see. Little accoutrements I did grab, because you know I'm obsessed with scissors. I've got the old scissors and then 2 of the, I don't remember what they're called, but they're basically to use to turn things out, to pull and turn things in and out. Wonder if they were a hairdresser with all the scissors and the mannequin head with all the pretty colors.
I feel like I should just leave it open. It feels so good.
It does feel nice outside.
Just smashed my finger.
Made in Italy. This is $4. Let me look for any chips or cracks. I don't see any. I think I'm gonna take that.
Man.
Pretty little milk glass pedestal back there for $7. Take a look at it. Okay, so I like that it's got the cool little slits and the gold in it. Sue's ready with her 365 light.
This is cute. Oh, hot minute.
Lots of the pottery is as is. It's not unusual for things to get broken, of course. I really love these candlesticks. I might have to come back tomorrow and look at them. If I were buying them for me, I would pay the price. The resale, I'm just not sure of, but they are gorgeous. And there's some other beautiful pieces here. Those jugs are great. I like the lamp again. When you come up and there's some other lovely pieces. Framed gazebo wheel on canvas. And I really like these gold candlesticks as well. Well, this is fascinating. The candlesticks are 3 for $24. When I picked them up, they have a battery compartment. I suppose the interior lights up? Well, now I'm just completely curious about them. It makes me like them less, to be honest, but makes me super curious. I love this piece, which is priced at $20, which seems like a bargain to me. I just don't know. You know, it's tough. And then we've got these pieces, which would need to be repainted, and at $8, that's not terrible. But I feel like I could get less, maybe at Goodwill. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend. It really helps. You can look for these pieces to be either on Vintage Bee Design, Whatnot, or at our market in February.